start some rumors. I wanna start some rumors with you. With you. With you. I wanna start some rumors with you. Yeah. Rumors. I wanna start some rumors with you.
A lot of people have been asking how I get this turban. Just quick, simple, very laid back, very chill type turban. So make sure you guys continue watching this video. What I do, I take it in two like this and I tie it. And honestly, this is just like a big scarf that I got from Walmart. So I just take it like this, tie it in two. Okay, let me show you again. So as you see, it's a big scarf like this. Definitely a scarf I just got from Walmart. Take it, pull it out, tie it in two like that. Now it's not gonna go flat to your head. You're gonna have a little space right here, so that's fine. That's gonna help you create like the perfect donut. So you're gonna tie it, and then what you're gonna do is twist this as tight as you can. You can twist it like this, or you can just twist it like this. But I kind of twist it like this because I want my donuts to have like a more donut-y look, because you see the little ridges in it. So, and then when I get to the ends where the string is, I kind of just twist it. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna use this as a guide and wrap it around this little gap area. And that is what is gonna give you the perfect donut. This right here is gonna be pretty much the base. So what you're gonna do, wrap it. You see how I wrapped it around that little space right there? Wrap it around the space. Keep going, keep going. And then you're gonna wrap this on top of that and just kind of tuck it. I just tucked it up under here. And me, I like mine pretty big. And then you can kind of maneuver it how you want to. I just pull it up and put it right here. So as you see, it looks very stylish when you two-strand twist it like that. And I'll show you how it looks the other way. Ooh. So just twisting it like this without two-strand twisting it kind of gives you just a, it definitely gives you a tighter, like a tighter donut, but it's kind of smoother. Doesn't really have any definition to it, no ridges. It's just kind of smoother look. So you can do it either way, but I like two-strand twisting mine. So just take it, just take it like so, take it like so. Just twist it, and when you get to the bottom, you twist it with your finger. Now the tighter you make it, the more secure your bun looks. So you're just gonna go around and around and around and around and around. And just tuck your little pieces in. That's the only plus about having these little scarves that have the little things hanging, because you got to make sure those are disguised and not come out. But yeah, so this is my turban, and I kind of maneuver it where I want it to be at. Just tuck this because she ain't trying to stay in there. Just like this, a little stylish. Put on your little earrings, you can put on your little lashes, do your little baby hair if you got edges, and yeah. So that's my quick little turban video. Like I said, when I first started doing my YouTube videos, a lot of people, they would ask me like, girl, how do you do that turban? Like, because literally when I started back making my videos, like my turban was all I was wearing. Like I did not feel like putting on a wig. I didn't feel like doing my makeup. So I really just had my little turban on. So yeah, people will always ask me about my turban and how I tied it. So I just wanted to make a quick little video on how I do it. yeah, that's the only thing with these scarves. You just gotta make sure this is tucked in. Sometimes I don't be carrying, I be having them hang, but for video purposes, I got it. I got them tucked in. So yeah, this is my little turban video. If you want, I know a lot of people, they'll put like product on their little are these baby hairs? No, I don't think it's baby hair. I just think it's naps. But sometimes like people with like low hairlines, they'll have like, well, no low nape lines, they'll put like little product, kind of like twist their little curls, hang out the back. Some girls take hair out the side, all that stuff. But me, I just put my turban on and go. Definitely put on some earrings, put on some lip gloss and go. Like, a turban is a real chill, laid back style. So hopefully this video helped you guys. Yeah, so this is my turban and hopefully it helped you guys.